Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome to my channel Crafters World. Today I am going to show you how to make this shadow box frame or origami photo frame using handmade paper or any designer sheets like this. Today I am using this, and if you like my video then do like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for any further updates. So let's move on to the tutorial. So the first thing you have to do is to decide the size of the frame, like the breadth and the length. Okay, so here I'm taking 6 centimeter as the breadth and 8 centimeter as the length. Okay, first you have to make frame where you will place your photo. The next step is to decide the width of the frame. This is the width of the frame and this is the height. So here I am taking the width 2 centimeter. So measure the 2 centimeter width for all the sides and make another frame like this. I have taken 2 centimeter for all the 4 sides and make another frame. Okay. The next step is to make the sides. Now take the height. This is height. Here I am taking 1 centimeter height. And again width 2 centimeter, height 1 centimeter, and at last width 2 centimeter. Make it for the diamond portion also. 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 1 centimeter, and 2 centimeter. And just join this line with this. Make the same like this for this side also. I don't have space here, so I cannot make it here. Okay, for the upper and bottom portion we got the 1 centimeter height, then take 2 centimeter width, just make a dot, don't make the line. Measure the length and mark 1 centimeter from both ends, and then attach these 2 dots like this. Okay, now take that 1 centimeter height, now 3 centimeter width. For this width we have make the line in inward direction, but this time we are going to make it in outward direction. And now this time take 1 more centimeter from both the sides like this. Make same like this for the bottom also. I have drawn this sketch on a handmade paper. I have taken here a frame of 14 to 22 centimeter and given the width to it of 3 centimeter and making another frame of 3 centimeter, and then taking the height of 2 centimeter and the width 3 to 3. So now after making this on a handmade or a designer paper, you have to cut this portion out with the help of a scissor. So I have cut this frame like this. So now you have to do is to take your scale and scissor and just trace the lines like this. Trace all the lines. Okay, so it will get easier to bend and will not bend from any other sides. I have traced it from all the sides, and now it's time to make the frame like this. You have to fold it. It's so simple to fold it for the sides, and for this side it is like this. see, your shadow box is ready. Just make sure to use a thick paper. It will stay stiff like this. It is looking a nice and easy frame. And yes, for placing the photos, you have to unwrap it or use a photo of a smaller size like this. So the photo frame is getting unwrapped again and again. Just use glue here and here, or just wrap it with something like floral tape of green color. You can take any tape, designer tape also. So I'm just gonna bend this a little bit like this, get like this, crumble like this, and now wrapping it like this. I'm using a flower. If you want, you can place flower all over it. You can use flower for the sides to attach it and paste your photos with the help of a glue. Thank you for watching.